Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to know if your store is live. Let's get started. So as insert here, I have here my theme. So for example, let's try to click on customize right here. And you can see as well that this is actually live. Now this doesn't indicate anything because this actually indicates only if this is a draft or live page. Now we need to actually put our store accessible to anyone that is not us. In order to do that, let's click on this preferences right here. It's just under the online store. Then in here, you can see these references. So just scroll down. And then from in here, you can see that to let anyone access your online store, you need to pick a plan. So what you can do is you need to make sure also that you have a plan. And in here, you should be able to see some plans that I have right now. So as of right now, I'm on the free trial. But if you want, you can also subscribe with your basic Shopify Advanced and Plus plan. Once you have done that, you should be able to remove the password protection of your actual online store. You can remove this password and you can uncheck this mark right here. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.